Welcome back to this video series on link building strategy for a new site. In this video, I will show you the type of links you should build in the second week of creating your site. The type of link you should create in the second week of creating your site is citation links. A citation link is a link that contains details about your website. This includes your name or the name of your website, address and phone number, and also your site URL and description. Citation links are not follow links, but they are very important. It helps to create trust in Google. To get started, first, you need to build citation links on major citation platforms like Google My Business and Bing My Business. You may ask, but my website does not have any physical location or address. What should I do? That's not a problem. On both Google and Bing, you can add your website details and get verified. So, these are the basic citation links you should build in the second week of creating your site. Also, you can outsource it for more citational links from other sources. If this is your first time of watching our video, like and subscribe to get more videos on link building strategy for a new site. I will see you in the next video.